Blayephi baru kini gilongki khubor bamta kasngi. Ukartong ka National People's Party NPP na kabanta ka election Paidbah Lok Sabha Shillong kaman salong shen u Dr. D.R.LNonglait ha kasngi balang ulalet jingya kendu ya u National President ka NPP bat u Menteri Rangba ka Meghalaya Conrad ki sangma. Ha Secretariat kat baka parti kadang penjuri ka jung penkret na kabanta ka te ka jingya kun election. Kani ke election Paidbah krami hadin ke jingkhat kensan jong MP ke Shillong u Dr. Ricky Andrew Singkan wala ke Election Commission of India ECI kampat penmenai ya katarik ban pelong ya ke election. Henry ki parti bapher kelas dang ya ke jing penkre bat ki kam jing la Paidbah lakmi lenti ba u Dr. Nonglait un ya kun persha ya u Dr. Batskam Marbo na ka Voice of the People Party VPP bat u Vivan ke kharngap kenta na ka United Democratic Party UDP. Habakran shikilat pathai kubor hadin ka jingelang u Dr. Nonglait ula ong ba ula penkret na kabenta ka ke election na do ki arbanai ki blalet bat udang shania scam ha ki Paidbah. Ngala trishi tomlenter ha ki arbanai bala deb bat ngabu ka jing shania ha ki Paidbah ngadon ka jingkyrmen ka bakraw bat nganget bat ka Jingkyrshan jing ki Paidbah ngena ban poi sha ka thong jongi ong u Dr. Nonglait. Ulong ru baman ka election kalong ka jingele ka ba Henry ka NPP kalong ka bla penkre ba bat kadan ka jinget bakanyo ya ka jingjam. Man ka election kalong ka jingtenju Henry ngi shania bangin mi Paidbah da ka jingjam ngidang pelet jingmut hakimat ki bakta ya ki Paidbah bat ngin beteng banet jingya kendu ya baro ki kenhun jong ka imlang sa lang ulaong. Halor ke jingjit ya ukum ukertong Dr. Nonglait ula penpau bak executive committee ke parti kala shim ya kate karai ha ke jingyalang kabla long ha ke sngi bala dem. Ke executive committee kala shim kala rai ban penyang yanga kum ukertong ke parti wat la ki official minutes kempat mi Paidbah Henry ke rai kala dem ban shim ula penra.
See, I've been campaigning for the last 3 months and I keep my pace slow and steady, but the response is quite positive and I hope we will achieve the goals and with the support of the people, I don't have any doubt that we will come out successfully. Let's talk next time.
Sir, your opponent is also a teacher and a mayor. So how do you see this battle between professionals?
There is no such battle as you have said, like professional. This is election and everyone can join the fray, be he or she a teacher, an administrator, or anyone. It is always challenging. I should not take it lightly, but then I'm sure that we will come out successfully.
Yesterday, the issue had been released. No objection certificate. What did you say about that?
No, no such NOC has been released. The Academic Council, no. The Executive Council has been held yesterday, and it was decided that permission will be given to me and also to the other person. But then the minutes have not been out, and as soon as the minutes are out, then only they will issue us their NOC.